course, within the week, the keke riders within Abia State had been, especially in the two major cities, Aba and Omaha, were actually expected to start wrapping up. Yes, like the news wrap up at 7 p.m. every day. But the government, after some consideration, came back and said, no, now before we can do that, let's do some verification and some re-registration for these keke riders. For the first state government, they said it's about actually security purposes, but then 7 p.m. is that feasible? At 7 p.m. Sometimes in the studio 7 p.m. will never even close. I don't know how, so I don't know how feasible that is, and I also don't know how it's going to work out. If you live in Abia State, especially in Abia or Omaha, drop your comment down below. Tell me how feasible this is. And also, in Lagos, something has actually happened in Lagos, big time. The state government has actually sent a 69-year-old school proprietor, school owner, to prison alongside his two children.